Okay, here we are. Come on, Chip. We gotta update the video. The blizzard of 2009. Where are you? Come here. I know it's exciting. I know it's exciting. Okay, this has already been swept. So this is about what we are, 6, 7 inches out here on the fence. We'll give you some close-ups in a minute. Stay tuned. Here we are. Hi, Chip. Hello, little girl. Chip loves getting snow on her nose. Alright, I think it's time to open the gate and go outside, and let's just go talk to Chip and see what she thinks about this. We're up to almost a foot of snow here now. Hey, Chip, over here. Hi. She's looking for people. There are no people out here, Chip. Alright, let's go out to the street. Okay, I just opened up the fence to come out here to the world of a foot of snow. Here comes the police. Those are the only people driving around today. Come here. Come on out here into the world. Let's get a shot of the street here. It's just snow as far as you can see. You can see it on Chip. It's about a foot. And we're still going. Hey, come here. She can go anywhere in the world with the gate open, and of course, she doesn't go very far. She knows where the food is free. Alright, Chip, let's go out into the street, because we're not going to get in anybody's way, that's for sure. Look at you going through the snowbank. Okay. Good girl. I know, it's crazy. That's the street. About 8 inches are on the street. Can you believe that? Clifford Avenue completely snowed in. Good girl. Good girl. Come here. I know, it's exciting. Oh, she's going to go visit Willie. Come here. Chip, come off there. Don't mess up Willie's nice white lawn. Where's she going? Come here. Chip. Come on. There you go. Come on back to our house. Come here. Say hello. We're going to finish up chapter 2 now. It is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Good girl. That's right. Have a seat. I bet you're tired. Well, or don't have a seat. Maybe have a little freak out. Whoa! You climbing up on me? Hi, little girl. Maybe I can get a tennis ball. I don't think we could play fetch. I think as soon as the tennis ball hits the ground, it would be gone. Oh, look at that dog checking out the world. Chip, you don't want to escape? This is your chance. This is your chance to escape. No, I guess not. We're supposed to have lunch for her in about an hour, so if she'd already eaten, she may have taken flight to Alexandria, but probably not now. Okay, say goodbye, Chip. Good girl. You are a good girl, snow monster. Hey, come here. Hi. Okay. Okay, bye. You didn't want to say goodbye yet? You want to sniff the wind a little bit more? Hello. Whoa, that's a little close. Hey, Chip, say goodbye. Last call. Last call, puppy dog. Okay. Hey. She hears the neighbors. Okay. What's that wind smell like? Okay, bye. Okay, I'm afraid you're not going to be able to see me because the lighting isn't very good. All of our house lights are off. They're off during the day. But I don't know if you can see the whole crazy white world out there. Every car has about a foot of snow on it now. It's crazy! But that's okay, we're staying warm. Right, Chip? Staying warm? Okay, this is the end of chapter 2. Stay tuned. Chapter 3 is coming. When we hit 14 inches, that's what we'll do. 14 inches? Yeah, we've got just a few more to go. Because it's about 3 o'clock. Okay, I'm just going to take a picture of Chip sitting here. Stay tuned. Okay, we are back in the house with a little bit of snow. Look at that snowy puppy. Hey! Oh, getting a little close. Okay, let's go over to the fireplace. Okay. Whew. It's good to be coming in from outside. Hello! Hi! Okay, this is really the end of chapter 3. Ooh, snow. I know it's exciting to be home. I know. Oh, okay. We're enjoying making videos to send out. We hope you can feel our love coming from Clifford Avenue. I know it's exciting. I know, you're the blizzard girl. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. We gotta turn our tree lights on. That's what we'll do in chapter 3. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.